Finding yourself is what the mythologist and author Joseph Campbell called finding your bliss or your life purpose. Our purpose is that interesting zone where three circles meet in a Venn diagram. Circle number 1, what you care about. Circle number 2, what you're good at. And circle number 3, what the world needs. Purpose blends our passions and our abilities with service to others. If we seek fulfillment, everything we do must be aligned with our life purpose. When we express our unique talents and use them in the service of others, we lose track of time and create abundance. Most of us fail to recognize the significance of those occasional moments when we feel on purpose. In such moments, we feel alive with passion. We're in the flow. Unfortunately, we often let such moments go without paying them much heed. If we give them the attention they deserved, we'd begin to unravel a thread of purpose that has been with us for as long as we can remember. If we explore the thread of purpose throughout our lifetime by noting the moments in our lives where we feel connected, in flow, alive, and serving the greater good, we'll begin to sense patterns. We'll see that, to some degree or another, we have been fulfilling a kind of purpose all the time. We simply have not been giving it the appreciation it deserves. So one of the best ways to discover your purpose is to explore the following 3 questions. Number 1, what am I passionate about? Number 2, what unique gifts and qualities do I possess? Number 3, who or what am I here to impact positively? Knowing our life purpose makes everything so much clearer.